And welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Gratis haul. For those of you who don't know, I do work at Ulta Beauty, and I get Gratis like I think every other month or so like that. So yeah, stay tuned and we're about to get into this video. This is my Gratis bag. This is Gratis haul number 4. So let's see what we got in here. So first, I got a Diva Curl hair mousse, texture and volume. And then I got quite a few hair products in here. So I got the TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner right here, and I have the TGIN Rose Water Smooth-In Leave-In Conditioner right here. I heard this product was pretty good. I haven't used it yet, so I might give it a try. I got another Diva Curl product, the No Poo Blue. It's an anti-brass little cleansing product. Then I have the Fakai Intense Mask Intense, the Shea Butter. The Briogeo Farewell Frizz Hair Care Kit. I think I got this in my first Gratis. I think I got it. I think I gave it to my sister or something like that. But yeah, I think I got this in my first Gratis. They have good products too. Probiotic skincare. It's the Soap Polish Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. This is so good. I love their products. I use their the face cleanser, and I just started using the Soap Polish Exfoliating scrub, and it's so gentle and so soft. It's not like your regular facial scrub that feel really rough and hard when you exfoliate your face. It's just really gentle, and it smells pretty good too. And then I got the Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer. My camera ended up cutting off, so I gotta back up. But anyway, like I was saying, I have the Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer by Smashbox. What is it? It's like a sun protector lotion. I think it's like a little sample size by Shiseido. I hope I'm saying it right. And then I have the Kinship Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face. Tube like that. the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I think I got like maybe 5 of these already, so I think I'm gonna just hold on to that one. And then I also got this box right here. Fresh. We just recently got this product line in our store. Let's see what's inside. I used their products before. I used their chapsticks or lip balms, and their lip scrub is like, it's amazing. I love it. So came with this little card right here. It says fresh. Hi Ulta Beauty, we are so thrilled to be joining you at Ulta to welcome you to the Fresh family. Please enjoy a few of our cult favorite products. At Fresh, we say that feeling is believing, and we cannot think of a better way for you to experience our brand than to touch, smell, and feel these nature-inspired products for yourself. We look forward to seeing you very soon. P.S. Fresh joins Ulta's Conscious Beauty for both clean ingredients and sustainable packaging from the Fresh team. That's cute. This is a box weight. So, check this out. So, let's see what we got in here. So, first we got the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. This little box. And then it came with like this little blue scrunchie right here. It's cute. Then I got the Soy Face Cleanser, and this is for all skin types. That's what the bottle looks like. So y'all can see that. The Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, and it got real rose petals in it. So I'm ready to try this. And then the last thing I got in here is the Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. It just came with a little sample. Everything I got in Gratis for Gratis number 4, and I'll be back with Gratis number 5 soon. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.